Good morning. I hope you guys are doing good. Let me know in the comment section what is new in your life. I am super happy for today's video. It is my birthday month. August is like, oh my god, it's like my favorite month. I love August like anything, and I love my birthday like anything. So I got few products, I got few gifts for myself only, like मैंने खुद को ही gift किया. And I am so happy कि मैं आपके साथ बैठ के share करूँगी वो चीज़ें. Guys, first of all, I'm not bragging for anything. They are like from my own money, and so I earn and I invest for myself. You know, no offense, nothing against anybody, guys. Please sit back and enjoy this video. So in today's video, I'm gonna share the products, the gifts that I got for myself, and they are all makeup related gifts. You know how much I love makeup, right? So finally after a lot of struggle, I got my hands on Colourpop. I can't tell you, I'm so happy. I guess this Colourpop shopping will go on because I loved the product. I mean, मैंने बहुत कुछ सुना था from, you know, Kathleen Light and बहुत सारे YouTubers सुना था. Colourpop products are very reasonable and they are very good. आज मान लिया, hands down. They are the best. You know, Colourpop gives you the best eyeshadow pigments at the best price, like $5. Oh my god, they are worth purchasing. So I got few of the products. Let's see what I got. So I have got these eyeshadows, and they are so pigmented, super creamy, super soft. Oh my god, what to say? Okay, starting off with the first, I'm gonna start off with the pan eyeshadow. So with the pan eyeshadow, we get a small case which is like this. I'm sold out, dude. I'm sold out to Colourpop. I'm gonna order few more things. Okay, come out. So this is how the inner packaging look like. You get a mirror also. Look at this. Oh my god. And the first color is this glass bull. The shade name is glass bull, and this is such a stunning glitter color. Oh god. Wait, I have not yet used it. I'm opening this for the first time in front of you guys. See that? Okay, see that? What? Did you just say swatch? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna swatch all the eyeshadows for you guys.
Oh, it feels so creamy, so buttery. Oh my god.
Wow, man. This is so beautiful shade. I can even use it as a highlighter. Wow. Wow. So I'm gonna keep this. What? It's a magnet. Oh my god. It's a magnet. Oh my god. Okay. Yes. You take me. I'm in Colourpop. I'm sold out. This is so freaking cute. So cute. Okay. Next is this beautiful deep blue color, which is in shade Backstage. Let me take it out. Okay. And this is such a beautiful blue shade. Oh, can you see the pigment? Wow. I am super impressed. They have this, this special collection, which is the birthday collection. I don't know क्या color होगा, but I am so happy, so happy. Come out, baby, come out. Open the first is the red shade, which is CUTEOLOGIST. You are already cute, honey. The Colourpop's. Okay, this is how the packaging looks like. And that's the shade. Oh my god. मुझे literally ऐसा feel हो रहा है जैसे मैं किसी clay में हाथ डाल रही हूँ. Oh my god. See that? See that? Wow. Such a stunning brownish red color. Wow. Next is this glittery green color, which is in shade CUSP. Wow. Okay, you get all the light and all the shine in this color. Wow. Next is a beautiful, beautiful universal flattering color, which is the golden color. And this is in shade Telepathy. Oh my god, the shades, the name are so unique and so cute. This is Telepathy. Beautiful golden bronze color. Why is this? Okay. Why is this so soft? Oh Lord. Dude, I'm so loud. I'm gonna buy more stuff from Colourpop. For sure. Also hit the subscribe button because I'm sure अगर मैं अपने लिए लूँगी तो मैं आप लोगों के लिए ज़रूर लूँगी. I'm gonna keep a giveaway of these Colourpop for sure. Mark my words. But subscribe. I'm very close to 1K. I want to reach to 2K. If you want this beautiful eyeshadows, beautiful Colourpop cosmetic, subscribe. Also comment because each and every comment will matter and I will count and note जब भी मैं giveaway रखूँगी. So मैं दोबारा से सारे comments read करूँगी. So please. Another is SUPERFLY, which is again a green color, greenish blue color. It's not exactly green, so it gives you a reflection of bluish. See that? That's such a different color. Matlab, when you see this color and see this, it's so different. The packaging and the outcome is so different. The next color is their birthday collection, which is a birthday wish. This was free with my stuff. So this is how the packaging look like. ये बाकी packaging से बहुत different है. ये usual packaging है और ये different packaging है. And this is so beautiful. And that's the packaging. Wow. That's the color. They are so good for highlighter. Let me make you see clearly. I don't know, where do I swatch? They're so cream based formula, so soft. For Colourpop, I'm ready to ruin my, full hand. That's what exactly the color look like. Isn't it beautiful? Say yes. Behind the camera, say yes. Do you guys want the same? Say, shout yes. I'm gonna give you the same because I want my audience to take the same happiness which I get when I see these colors. Look at this. subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. What else? Okay, then I got my hands sorry. Then I got my hands on because I wanted to try the brush. I haven't yet used it. This is the Colourpop E2 blending brush. This retails of $8. All the eyeshadows were of $5 or $6, but there was a sale. Then I got this Colourpop No Filter Concealer. That's too white for my face, but we will work it out, right? We will work it out. That's the color. Then I have its very popular lipper, which is Colourpop Lippie Stick. That's the outer packaging, and this is in shade ZIGGIE Matte X. It's a very beautiful brownish shade, the outer packaging. And that's the shade. Next is my favorite brand, which is Benefit and Dior and Anastasia. So I got this how to look the best at everything medium flawless complexion makeup kit, which is this. So it has all these things in it. I so waited to get this. I can't tell you guys. बहुत wait किया मैंने to get this. Oh, कोई चीज ना गिराऊं, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है यार? So okay, it has a tip and trick, booklet. That's the booklet you get. Then that's the product. So it is a very good thing, like a travel friendly kit. A pore primer, a cute pore primer. Then you get a Benefit foundation, small. Then you get a concealer. That's the concealer. Then you get its most talked about product is a bronzer. So yes, that's the bronzer and that's the brush. Next is Anastasia's dip pomade, which is very popular, and I got this from my friend. She went to Dubai last time, so this is how it looks. We all know, right? This is in a dark brown shade. Then a very luxurious, very beautiful Dior lip shade. That's the packaging. I'm quickly showing you all these things because my camera's battery is dying, and oh my god, this is so damn heavy. That's how the packaging looks like. It is so fucking heavy. Oh my god. That's the beautiful red color. I feel to never use this. Never ever. Then last but not the least, I got this makeup brushes set. These are in the marble print. They're so beautiful, and I'm gonna make a video for sure for using using all these new products I purchased. So guys, please subscribe and please like the video if you like the efforts, if you like the video. I'll see you super soon. Bye.